Hey guys, welcome to day 46 of Codeforces Every Day until GM. Today, the goal is to finish up this ladder. We got 3 problems left, so let's just jump straight into it and let's do 3 problems. Sort the array. Sounds simple enough. 1300. I need to do a contest soon, again. Reevaluate where I'm at. Hopefully I don't plateau or lose elo, though. Okay, being a programmer, you like arrays a lot. For your birthday, your friends have given you an array. Nice birthday present, consisting of indistinct integers. Unfortunately, the size of A is too small. You want a bigger array. Okay. But only if you're able to answer the following correctly. Is it possible to sort by reversing exactly one segment? Okay. Yes or no, depending on the answers. What do you mean? And then... Wait, print yes or no. If your answer is yes, print 2 integers of... Oh, okay. So basically, print yes if you're able to sort the array by just swapping, choosing an index I, index j, and just swapping them. Okay. That's pretty straightforward. So n equals int input, and then a equals list map int input dot split. Now, how do we go about this? Yes, and we reverse 2 and 3. One second, 10 to the 5. The array can be 10 to the 9. Let's think. Pull up a whiteboard. This first case, 3, 2, 1, and swap, just flip the entire array. Second case, no case, it's already sorted. Wait, 1, 2, yes, and we just swap 1. Okay, that makes sense. And this is no. How do you know where to swap? Because it's pretty... I was gonna say it's pretty easy to tell, when you need to swap, or when it's possible, but I guess it's not true. Well, okay, so we have our target array, which is equals sorted A. Then, so we have our, okay, let's pick this case here. we have our sorted array. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we have our given array here. And then we iterate through, check if they're the same or not. And then, so this is our beginning index, so this is our I. And then we keep going until we how do we find the end? Because what if it's a case where okay, because here's my first idea. You keep going until you find the same again. And that'd be 3. So your end index, that's your end index j, and then you just reverse it and then check if they're equal. But I'm thinking of a case where it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then it's 4, 3, 2, 1, 5. Because you check, and then this would be equal. So in theory, you would just, this would be your I, this would be your j, and you would only swap. So that's not it. Question is how to find the end. So I guess what you could do is you could start from the back, right? You can use 2 pointers. 1, 4, 3, 2, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Start from the back. And then same, move on, different, stop, different, stop, and then this is our thing. And then we swap these, and if they're equal, print yes, else print no. So left equals 0, right equals in minus 1. And then when do we stop the loop? We stop the loop when, if they're all in order, right, we can first do if a equals target, then we can print yes. Is it lowercase or? That's weird. Some of them want capitalized, this one wants lowercase. We print yes, and then we print like 1, 1. And then exit. So that's the case where it's already sorted. And then if not, we have to check. It's like if AL does not equal to target L, if it is equal to target L, then we increment L plus equals 1. And then the other check we have to do is AR equals target R, then R minus equals 1. Now we need some sort of a loop, while loop. While what? while L is less than R. We can keep track of two more variables, like found, left, false, found, right, false, while not found, left, and not found, right, would go here, else found, left, else found, right, like something like this. And then we just print else, print no, exit. Print yes, print LR. Something like this. Uh-oh. What? What's going on? AL, AR, target L, target R. One, 3131. So what am I doing? True. There we go. Failed. Not no though. That's not right. Am I supposed to do this and then exit, and then over here print no, like this? Yeah, but I need to add one too. I need to do L plus 1 and then R plus 1 like this. Failed. There should be no. Okay, so this makes sense actually, because our sorted would be 1, 2, 3, 4, and then so we actually just need to do a check here if uh A from start to L plus A from L to R, start, stop, step, plus A from R to the end equals target. We do this, else. So here, space here. I don't know if this is printing the right thing. Let me just check this real quick. One. That's not right. From A, L, zero. No, this should be right. It's this part. The middle should be right. L to R. 3, 2. And then like this. 2, 3. To R plus 1. 1, 2, 3. And then this should be this one like this. This equals target. Received no. Oh, 3, 1, 2. 2, 3. That's not right. It should be. Let me think. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. So what's going on here? So we need to get our bounds right from 3, 1, or 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, 3, 4. We check L. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's just look at 2 cases. Oh my god. Okay, let's do 1, 2, 3 first. 1, 2, 3. Oh well, that's the sorted version. 2, 1, 3. 2, 1, 3. Our target is 1, 2, 3. Start from here. It's not the same, so I equals 0. We'll go here, where L equals 0. Jesus, this eraser tool is not cooperating today. L equals 0. R equals n minus 1, so 0, 1, 2. So now we want to reverse L. We want from, hold on. Print A, L, R. 3, 2. So we want R plus 1. And then we want to reverse this. There we go. Now for our next case, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 1, 3, 4. Different. So I, or L, equals 0. Same, same, different. So R equals n minus 1. So 4, 3, 2, 1. So we want A, L, R plus 1. L is 0, R is 2. That's not right. Zero, 2. L, target L. AR target R. 2, 1. They're different, so found left equals true. Why am I making this so complicated? Let's redo this. So while A L equals this, we do L plus equals 1. Okay, I fixed it. Right. So okay. Now I need a case where there's like the input 5 1 4 3 2 5. Output should be yes. 2 4. Yeah. Okay. Now one more. 5 1 1 3 2 4 5. And it should be yes. 1 2 3. Okay. Theoretically, I can remove all of this. This should be the answer. It's O of n. Any weird edge cases? Let's run it. Nice. Alrighty. One problem down. Took 28 minutes. Next problem. Serena and bottles. This is a 1400 rated. First line contains integer n. And then okay. Now what? Went to the picnic, the guy has in soda bottles, forgot the bottle opener. Different way to come up to open bottles. You can use a bottle from that the bottle is from brand AI. You can use it to open other bottles of brand BI. You can use one bottle to open multiple bottles. Serena can open bottle. Serena can open bottle with opened bottle or closed bottle. Knowing this, find out the number of bottles they got and that they won't be able to open. And anyway, okay. So you're saying brand A, brand B. The guys have in soda bottles. The bottle from brand A is AI. You can use it to open other bottles of brand B I'm lost. So this is A1, A2, A3, A4. You're going to use it to open B1, B2, B3, B4. Number of bottles that they won't be able to open in any way. So they can't open 4 bottles. AI is 1. So A1 is 1. B1 is 1. So notice that the first bottle is from brand A1. You can use it to open other bottles of brand B1. What? I'm so confused. Guys have in soda bottles. Forgot the bottle opener. Guys had to come up with another way to open bottles. Ice bottles from brand A. Brand B, you can use one bottle to open multiple bottles. Open or close bottle, knowing this. Zero. Why is it 0? Brand A, brand B. Is it because of that? I don't know if I'm misreading this question or what, but I don't really get what they're asking. We're given in bottles. The bottle is from brand AI. You can use it to open BI. One bottle to multiple bottles. What does this question say? What is A and B? The brand of the bottle. So AI is the brand of the bottle. BI is the brand of bottles it can open. So AI can open itself, basically. That's what it's saying. So so we're given N, number of bottles, A and B. A opens B. But you're saying A can open itself in this case, right? This is A, so 1 opens 2. 2 opens, oh, 2 opens 3, 3, 4, 4, God, 3, 4, 4, 1. So it can open everything. Okay, so if I have something like 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2 opens 2. Wait, bottle 1 opens 2. What does this mean? 1 opens 2, 2 opens 3, 4 opens 5. Number of bottles. We have bottle 1, 2, and 3. Bottle 1. So is there anything that can open 1? No. Is there anything that can open 2? 1. Yes. Is there anything that can open 3? 2. Yes. So it's 2. I think I get it. So in this case, 4. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. You can use it to open other bottles, not itself, basically. So is there anything that opens 1? Itself. So this doesn't work. This doesn't work. Self. This doesn't work. This doesn't work. Okay. In this case, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4. 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 1. Anything that opens 1, yes, and it's not itself. Anything that opens 2, yes, it's not itself. 3, yes, it's not itself. 4, and it's not itself. So, okay, I get it. I get it now. So basically, we need to keep track of brand A, brand B, and then for bottle in range n, if bottle in B and B bottle is if bottle plus 1 in B and bottle is technically 0, 1, 2, 3, so bottle would be 0, bottle plus 1 in B and B and bottle plus 1 dot index and brand B dot index bottle plus 1 does not wait. Brand B not equal the bottle plus 1 not in B. Wait, this is the first case. Hold on. The bottle plus 1 not in B print to print equals 0 and to print plus equals 1. If to print plus equals 1 continue if bottle if brand B dot index brand bottle plus 1 so what this will do is it'll find so bottle here is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, brand B dot index 1 is 0, 1, wait, is 4, or 0, 1, 2, 3 is 3, Bottle plus 1. No, we can do this brand A equals something like this, and then yeah, okay. It's not iterable. Uh, oh, not in brand B. Okay, that seemed to work. Wrong answer test 4. I got 3. So what I'm seeing is 1, 2, 3, 4. Expected output is 2. Why? We can only open one bottle. This doesn't work. We can't open this. We can open this. We can't open this. How am I receiving output 3? One, two, four, 3. Why? 1, 2, 4, 3. That's not it. If bottle plus 1 not in brand B, oh, 1, 2, 4. Yeah, that's correct. Expected output is 2? Why is it 2? Do I just not get the question? Or instead of in, then it's just a number of bottles. Is it talking instead? Is it talking about these? Like we have type 1, type 2, type and 2 type 3s. That makes a lot more sense, wouldn't it? For a bottle in brand A. For bottle in brand A, if bottle not in brand B, print bottle or to print plus equals 1. Find the index. Should be like this, I think. It's past now. Okay. Wrong answer, test 11. Oh, Jesus. Expected 0, found 34. 4 opens 2. One opens 4. I'm so confused on what's going on here. Oh, I guess we don't have 100 things here, right? 1, 2. It should still be 0 though. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 86 lines. I got 28. 2. brand A, brand B, take an input, append. So, what can be opened? Why is the expected output 0? Bro, I just don't get this case. Why is it 0? 4 can open 2. 4 can open 2. 4 can open 3. 4 can open a ton of shit, looks like. And 2 can open 4. 4 can open 2, and 2 can open 4. Which means they open each other, right? Okay, so B is our like bottle openers. So here's what we can do. Let's rewrite this logic. So we iterate through every bottle in AI. In A. So for I in range N. AI. This is our current bottle. Our current bottle can open b.count bottles. And then we need to check if AI equals BI. That means it's opening itself. But there could be multiple of these, right? Like we can do 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. Wait. Okay, this finds b.count AI. How many bottles in okay A? So brand A can open brand B. So this finds all the bottles that can open AI. And then this is gonna return 1 or 0 for if AI opens itself. Now, what we need to do this is the okay opener. This is the number of bottles that can open AI. And then we need to subtract if this opener minus equals 1, and then if opener, let's call it openers. If openers equals 0, then to print plus equals 1. So yeah, so basically what this is doing is it's saying we're looking for how many bottles can open AI. If AI happens to be able to open itself, we subtract by 1. If openers is 0, then we add. Okay, I'm trying to figure out a case like 1, 2, 2, 1. Now we're here. Openers equals 3, but openers equals self. So 1. So minus 1, which is 2. But there's still something that can open it. Well, yeah. Because even if we have 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, openers equals 3, self minus itself 2. Still have 2 different ones I can open. So this should work. This, maybe not. Oh, brand B. I totally fucked up my variables for this. Okay. There we go. We got it. This question was kind of interesting. It hurt my head. It wasn't hard. It's not a hard question. I just didn't understand it. It was hard to understand, and you just have to understand that A opens B. These are like not two separate groups. They're technically grouped together, and that a bottle can't open itself. Yeah, it's a weird question. Alright, it's been an hour, so 30 more minutes. Hopefully, spend on this last question, and we'll finish up this ladder. Alright, adding digits. Another 1400 rated. You got two numbers A and B, however, A is too short, decides to repeat the operation of lengthening A n times. One operation of lengthening a number means adding exactly one digit to the number to the right, provided that the resulting number is divisible by B. If it's impossible to obtain this, operation cannot be performed. Help lengthening A n times. So ABN. What the hell? You use white space characters instead of spaces? That's crazy. So, single number without leading zeros when he applies the lengthening operation n times. If no exists, print -1. If there are multiple, print any of them. So what are we doing? A is too short. Adding exactly one digit into the number in the decimal notation to the right, provided that the resulting is divisible by B. If it's impossible, then it cannot be performed. So, this is quite interesting. In times, we want to increase the length of 5 times, and it needs to be divisible by 4. So, we basically multiply, it's some multiple of 4 that starts with 5, and everything else after it. Okay, basically it's fine. It's saying find a multiple of b that start with a and len in plus 1. That's the whole question. So we can start, how do we start this? We can either start by finding the length n plus 1, so it has to be len 6. A multiple of a that's len 6 is just a times n plus 1 times 10. Wait. A times 10 to the n plus 1. Right? If a is 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. N is 5, so no, it's just this. This is our minimum, and then we need to find a multiple of 4. So this divided by b, which is 4, is 1. Okay, I don't actually need to do math because I have computers to do it for me. 5,000,000 divided by 4 is 125,000. So I can do 125,000,001 times 4. That should be a valid answer. So it seems like what I need to do a times 10 to the n divided by b plus 1 times b. 10 to the power of n divided by b plus 1 parentheses times b. Oh, it might be impossible. That's right. 12 in front. I also did not account for multiple digits in front. Although, so now it becomes a case of, if possible, if impossible, print -1, else print this, right? So how do we check if it's possible or not? This is 10 digits. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Extended by 10. Is this not divisible by 150? It is. One operation of lengthening a number means adding exactly one digit to the right, provided that the resulting number is divisible by b. Oh, so are they saying each of these are divisible by 4? So if I do this over here, this divided by 4, this divided by 4, this divided by 4. I see. That's what they mean. Okay. So this is still the formula for it, though. We have this. Now it's for I in range n. Well, okay. Let me think. A times. So if we have 545, first time we do it, we have 5. 5 times 10 is 50, divided by 4. 50 divided by 4 is 12 plus 1, 13 times 4 is 52. So keep track of A. A equals A times 10 divided by B plus 1 times B if print a, if stir a 0 not equal to to print equals a. A print int -1 exit. Received -1. That's not right. So we have 12 times 10 divided by 11 1 plus 1 is 2 times 11 is 22. That's not right. That's not right at all. And this is not right either, because this checks the first digit. It could be multiple digits. Okay, this is harder than I thought. If to print mod b is not equal 0, or to print len Can I take the length of a number? Does that work? Like Leinster A is not equal to A, then we print -1 exit. Now we need to come up with a way to find to print. So given 12, I guess we can check 1 through 10 for a multiple. Okay, what's the time? We get 2 seconds. 10 to the 5 cap. So I think we can get n squared time complexity. The last question was, like, this is n squared. 2 seconds. We only have to go up to 1,000. So basically we should aim for anything under O squared. So like n log n, O of n, maybe O root n. So we can't just iterate through each digit and then iterate 1 through 10. I mean, it's a constant, or 0 through 9. It is a constant 9. It's like 9n. O to 9n. Like for I in, for j in range 0 through 9. Like this, and then if temp mod b equals 0, then 2 print equals temp continue. Then we don't need to check this anymore. Oh yeah, actually we need 2. Either way we do 2 print equals temp, because we have this end check over here. Where exactly are we failing? Oh no. Wait, this is actually so complicated, because there might be multiple. Shoot. I don't really know how to go about this. So if it's like 4, could be 4 or 8. It's like 12 or 16. 124, 1. Well, I guess it doesn't matter, right? Because if the front is a multiple, you really only care about the back. This is like 30. It's between 30. Yeah, it doesn't matter. Okay, so. This typecasting is so annoying. Now, what we need to do is found. Hmm. Uh. Why do we choose a. 52480 mod 4 is 0. Whoa. Okay. Why do we continue after? Like, we want to extend by in, so I don't understand how we're getting over here even. We continue. Oh, we just break. We break. That's what we do. That's right. And then so this theoretically should be 0. Yes. Okay then. Okay, this seems to work for these. Now this is O in squared, right? Because it's double for loop. But it's only to 9. Or it's like 10 in. But since 2' grows by 1 digit every iteration, it's this. This is O of n. So either way, this is O of n squared. So what can we do to speed this up? This part. Okay, this is definitely overkill, right? Like,
That's straight up just brute force.
this isn't even a brute force question, it's an implementation question. So what can we do? Low key, we can break this. We can break each number into 3 parts, right? Like, say we have like 6, 7, 4, 6, 7, and then so this is our first part, right? And then we have so it'll always start with 6. This is our first part. Then we have our second part. Well, 6 anything, 6 like any digit here must be a multiple of 4, right? So this is our second part. And our last part is multiples of 10, because it's like, right? Right? That's what we found out from, where to go? From this. It's like always anything and then multiples of 10. So low key, only this number matters. So we just look from, also there should be 3 zeros. We only have to iterate like for I in range 10. And then we check if A plus I, these are strings, make it an int, mod B equals 0. Does then we print, and then that's our answer. Our print would be A plus I plus 10 to the n minus 1. Else, if we never find one of these, else -1. Okay, wait, I might be cooking. So, to print. Hello? 0. For I in range 10, if int stir A plus stir, well, we don't have to do this conversion. A times equals 10, then if A plus I mod B equals 0, to print equals A plus I times 10 to the power of n minus 1. Then by default, to print equals -1. It's over. How am I getting so many zeros? Check this part is working. 50. No, no, no. So this is not right. We should do 8 times 10. Like this. There we go. I don't know why we 5, 6, like 50 mod 4 is 02. Why am I using 6? 50. Oh, 50 mod 4. It's not, right? Wait, it is. Wait, no, it's not. Oh, that's wrong. That's why. Okay. Okay. Okay, yeah. This seems like it's working. Version 121. So now this becomes O of 1. That's genius. Submit it. Come on. Runtime error. God damn it. What is this? I never get this error before. What does it say? System set. What? Integer string conversion. I don't even convert the string though. Line 12. Here. I guess they. Use sys set int max. Also, I should probably break. Why does this even exist? Well, what we can do to like not hit this is we can just do remove this, check if toPrint equals grade 1, print toPrint else. I don't really understand. Like, apparently I have to import a library, import sys, and then manually increase this number, but I mean I don't really have to. I just print stir toPrint plus 0 times and minus 1. Well, it's 5.2 now. Is that divisible by 4? I guess it is. That's a lot of zeros. But yeah, okay. We can try this mission. There we go. Smart. That's how we get past integer limit. We're multiplying by 10. But yeah. Would you look at this, guys? We have completed the A2OJ ladder 11. Now time to never touch the A2J ladder again. And next time we do problems, we're going to be doing the A-code daily, whatever this ladder is. Supposedly it's like more to date. The ADC ladders. It's more to date than the A2OJ ladders. And I guess we'll start with like 1200, 1300 problems. Yeah, it looks like we've done like some of these already. But yeah, if y'all enjoyed this video, a little bit long, 2 hours, jeez. But if y'all enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all guys tomorrow. Bye.